If you want to grow your brand, understanding eye tracking and the golden triangle are very important. For many years, traditional researchers hooked up respondents to devices that follow eyeball movements as they scan ads to figure out what they look at, when, and how. I'll show you a short clip of this video, probably starting about here, where you see the respondent over here looking at ads and scanning the page, and then the researcher on the other side is able to see where her eye moves. He's able to take notes, and then they're able to figure out how to market their product better with that information. Here is another example. As you'll see with this Coca-Cola ad, you'll see where the respondent's eyes go, starting off kind of at the brand, then you see the bubbles, and then her face. Another important thing to realize is the golden triangle. We figured out the golden triangle because of eye movements. And so this is a good example because the first 3 links are where you want to be. That's the sweet spot. That's where people look at, as you can see kind of in this thermal map here. The F pattern is another way that we scan, especially for highly dense pages. For this, you can kind of see that F pattern if you look on the right-hand side. Red is where your eyes are most fixated, yellow in some views, and then blue is even fewer, and gray is hardly none at all. So that's important to learn if you want to know how your brand is going to stand out, how you're supposed to market on social media. And so, knowing eye movements, knowing how to catch people's attention, and where people's attention goes automatically is especially important for social media marketing. And these are my references.